Today is December 5th, the end of the week, and here is your agenda for today. We're still talking about waves, and we've just about wrapped up with making the game avatars. I think by today everybody should be done. Anyone still not done should work on theirs over the weekend using the directions provided in Quest 1. This morning when you come in, the first thing you want to do is now review your score sheet. We set many of these up yesterday. Some people need to work on them today so they can start using them, but you want to look and see what activities you need to accomplish for today, and then check off any items that you've completed as of yesterday. Again, here's the list of things we've been working on this week. This list will change for next week, so you want to make sure that you're at least staying on top of the things that we need to finish this week so that we can move on to some newer activities. You want to make sure that everything has a proper title in your notes so that when I come around to do a check, I know where to find everything in your notebook. Make sure it has a date as well. Your closing at the end of the period is to reflect on how you've done so far with your first week on the Master of the Waves game. Think about the different activities you had to work on in order to get prepared for the quiz for this particular section. Think about the dynamics, having to use the technology in the class. So how did you fare after getting set up this week, with this being the intro week? For homework, you do need to study for the quiz for Chapter 15, Section 1. You will have a deadline for that at some point next week, so make sure you check my website this weekend to see when that quiz needs to be taken and submitted. And then you also want to begin preparing for the midterm exam if you haven't already started. Remember that exam is coming up. Next week I will have the date on my website for you so that you can plan accordingly. So go back and look at your characteristics of science notes, your matter notes, and your energy notes, and make sure you stay on top of your wave notes as we are collecting them during this particular unit. All right, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye now.